is. It's a good start, I hope. No. Prophecy's late on the start. The helmets confused me. Darren Aaron grabbed the starts. He's got the green helmet too. David Graysacker in second. And Mike Prophecy's back in third. He's got some work to do to catch up those two guys. But he's already made some headway there. Timmy Thompson not on his starts today. Got much better starts yesterday. Okay, so this is going to be what we call a scorer's nightmare if it stays the way it is. She's going to have to figure it all out.
No, initial cost.
David Graysacker. Graysacker and Prophecy going into the turn together. Prophecy's got the outside. See if he can hold up his speed and get around the outside of, and he does. He gets on the outside of David Graysacker. Now let's see, he's got the Teddy in his sights. Let's see what happens. As they come down, I think it's white coming up for the white flag lap. They got a lap and a half to go. But Ahern's got a really big lead on him. Let's see if Prophecy can make up for getting such a good start this time. Oh. Okay, it's still Ahern out front. White flag's flying, one lap to go. This one's going to be on time. And it could surprise you what could happen. Just because Mike won the first heat, they look pretty good. So Ahern has got a really good lead on him. And when the clock reaches 0 is when we start timing the boats. So Ahern was ahead. Prophecy was a couple of seconds behind on the start. That's going to hurt his time. George Bressler, Darren Ahern, Mike Dierfelder, Mike Prophecy, and Chloe. You're all needed for work after this heat. Taking the checkered flag for the heat win, the 10E of Darren Ahern. Second, Mike Prophecy in the 44P.
Good job, honey!
David Graysacker taking third.